everyone, welcome back. If you're an electronics or communication engineering student or just someone stepping into the ECE world, today's video is going to save you a ton of time and confusion. Because let's be honest, picking the right laptop for your engineering studies isn't easy. There are so many options out there, and every brand claims to be the best. But not all laptops are built for what ECE students actually need. That's why I want to show you something super useful, a complete, updated guide called Best Laptops for ECE Students in 2025, available on engineeringlaptops.com. Now, before you go check it out, let me tell you why this page is honestly worth your time. First, it's not just another generic top 10 laptops list. The team behind engineeringlaptops.com actually focuses on laptops specifically for engineers. They break things down by field. So whether you're into mechanical, civil, electrical, or in this case, electronics and communication engineering, you'll get laptop recommendations that fit your actual software and workload. For ECE students, that means laptops that can smoothly handle tools like MATLAB, Proteus, Multisim, AutoCAD Electrical, or even coding environments like Python and C++. You don't need a super expensive gaming machine, but you also don't want something underpowered that struggles with simulations. The article explains all of that clearly: what specs to focus on, what you can skip, and how to find the right balance between performance and budget. You'll also find their top picks for 2025, and they're grouped in a really practical way. There are options for budget-conscious students, mid-range all-rounders, and high-performance laptops for those who want something that'll last well into their professional career. One thing I love about engineeringlaptops.com is that they keep things simple and honest. There's no technical jargon just for the sake of sounding smart. It feels like you're getting advice from a friend who's already gone through engineering school and knows what actually matters. They also regularly update their content, which is a big deal. The laptop market changes every couple of months. New chips, new GPUs, and new models, but the 2025 guide includes the latest devices that actually make sense for students today. If you scroll through the page, you'll see short, clear summaries for each laptop, why it's great, what kind of ECE work it's best for, and even what to watch out for. It's written in a really conversational way, not like a sales pitch. So whether you're just starting your first semester or you're already deep into your final year, this guide can help you pick a laptop that you won't regret buying. And honestly, that's what I appreciate about engineeringlaptops.com. It's not about pushing the most expensive models. It's about helping engineering students make smart choices based on what they actually do every day. So, if you're an ECE student in 2025 and you're wondering what laptop is really worth your money, I highly recommend checking out the full guide on engineeringlaptops.com. Just head over there, read through the list, and you'll have a clear idea of which laptop fits your needs best. It'll probably save you hours of research and a lot of frustration. All right, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and maybe share it with your classmates. They'll thank you later. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.